morning, good evening, good afternoon. Today, people, the good people, over halfway in the box still bar. Today, we got an exciting package for the good people at Cube Speed Shift Equipment for my R33 GTR. I know it's been a while since I've messed with this car. Oh my God. Disrespect. You would swear we in the ghetto right now, bro. I kid you not. So, as you can see in this car, I didn't want to ever show this, but this is how I actually been driving this car around. Not like this, but your short shifter kit. This kit, you see how it's just moving around like that? I'm not supposed to have this much play. Unfortunately, the bushings went out in that, and there's no bushing in it, so it's just bare. That's not something you want. So the good people sent me this beautiful package. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Take it all out. Take this out, put it to the side, right? So it even comes with instructions. So you have instructions here. Ooh, and some stickers. I love when companies send stickers with stuff. So she said, putting your shifter in. So this is for the RB26 all-wheel drive trans, and it comes with a gang of instructions to take this out. So what we're gonna do is just you get to watch me actually work on my car. A lot of people never get to see me work on my car because I'm a man of mystery. I don't like people letting me see me work on my car, because if they see me work on my car, they're gonna get the idea that I can work on cars. And every time I'm outside working on my car, I don't know if you guys have experienced this. If you're washing your car, one of your neighbors will be like, "You good?" Yeah. One of your neighbors will be like, "Hey, you work on cars?" I'm like, "Yeah, kinda." "Hey, my Buick's making this noise. Can you come check it out real quick?" Bro, it's not a fucking Buick. It's a Nissan. Y'all better go hit up GM for that. Ooh, you see that quick change? Look at that. It comes with a Cube Speed shift knob. What I like to do is I usually lay out all my parts first, so that way when I'm doing installs, I know what goes where. That way there's no questions, no ends, what's, or maybe. When I work on a plane, or when I used to work on planes, you have your work packet, you lay everything out. That way you have all your wires, all your tools you need before you install the code. Now we're gonna move to the interesting part. I'm gonna get some tools and I'll be right back. Before I can put the short shifter in, I actually need to remove the old shifter. Luckily, if you don't know how to do any of this, Cube Speed does give you instructions on how to do this successfully, easily, and thoroughly. So I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I don't even know. Here, and as you can see, there is no bushing on here, and this part right here needs to come out too. So they give you all these new pieces to go in there. So our next step, we have to get the bushing in there. Which bushing do we use? We don't know yet. One's maybe for RB25 trans, the other one for RB26 trans. So now this is now what I suggest is you can pull this off, but before you put this in here, you're gonna have to grease it up. We've installed all this with the thread locker. These parts are the guides for the top plates. What we're going to do is, and then we got these little things on the side. What we're going to do is now, careful. Ooh, we got it. I haven't had a real shifter in quite some time, so I'm happy about this. Look at things in here. Got the Cube Speed short shift equipment bad boy in here. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. Man, you don't know how happy I am. I've never had a plastic boot cover, and all of a sudden, when I get a boot cover, the little thing around here goes away. So, but it's clean though. Next step, get some seats in here, get some interior, get all of this cleaned up, and stay tuned because we got plenty more to do on this car. Thank you. Have a nice night.